Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace brake pads on a 2013 Nissan Rogue. Full guide. Lift the car, remove the wheel, and inspect the rotor and caliper. Verify you have the correct pads and hardware for a 2013 Nissan Rogue. Follow a left-to-right sequence when reinstalling pistons to avoid brake drag. Keep a container for fluid and clean parts with brake cleaner before assembly. Begin by loosening lug nuts and lifting the Rogue on jack stands so the wheel spins freely when removed. Remove the caliper bolts and hang the caliper using a hook or bungee to protect the brake hose from strain. Extract the old pads and inspect the rotor for scoring or uneven wear. Keep track of hardware and take a photo if uncertain about correct pad orientation during reassembly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car DIY content. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a small treat after a messy brake job. I use it after grease and road dust to make the drive home nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Compress the caliper pistons slowly to avoid damaging the seal and to accommodate thicker new pads. Fit new pads with shims and clips aligned, and apply a thin layer of brake grease to pad backing contact points only. Reinstall the caliper and torque bolts to factory specifications, then refit the wheel and torque lug nuts in a star pattern. Pump the brake pedal until it firms before driving to seat pads properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.